Hi, it's Matt from Crooks Cabinet Makers here, and I'm on day 2 of my 6-panel doors that I'm just building from my workshop. So this is where I got to yesterday. I had hoped to take all of that out with the router, but I think it was a bit too much of an ask, so I've combined the two. I'd previously cut all the shoulders nice and square. So I've completed the channeling off. I've just got to break those off. I'll do that with a chisel later. So there's the complete, that's around about 1 hour's work to cut. One of the problems I come across is the 6x2 had been in the rack for a while. There was a slight shrinkage on it, minimal shrinkage on it of about 1mm. So some of the tenons I cut came up also about 1mm narrower. So I had to readjust and make a few adjustments in the cut. Right, so now I've got all of these pieces finished. My next 3 tasks: cup of tea, dry assembly, and then take these down to the basement project and test them for size against the frames that we're supposed to be going into. So I just got back from site and I tested these doors in the openings and they're very good. As I said earlier, some of these pieces were different thicknesses when I pulled them out of the rack. The tenons are slightly too thick. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to systematically go through them all, make sure they're correct. I've still got my router sled set up. The most important thing about dry assembly is these joints should just slot together. So I've got 3 doors dry assembled. I'm just going to have a cup of tea and then I'm going to finish the other 3. Right, so I've completed the dry assembly test. Now what I want to do is get them in final position and start cutting the moulding on the front of here and also the groove for the panel. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe in the workshop.